Hey, here's a step-by-step guide for 20 questions in GIMP. Questions are in the description, the first link. Let's get started, I guess. So, first thing, uh, create an image with line, rectangle, square, and basic shapes. This is the first question. Okay, just open GIMP, click on File, New File, create. Uh, Select the size, that is 1920 by 1080. Okay, close this one. Yep. You'll have a document like this, which will open up with a blank space. Create a new layer. Create basic shapes. To create a new layer, just go down here. If you can see the mouse, click here, new layer, rename the layer, click on OK. We've already done that, so here's basic shapes. Go to filters, render, GFIG. This is the first question. We've already done this in the college. Hold, uh, press and hold the left click button on the mouse, and you'll see a line being created. It's not showing up just because I have my color as white. I'll quickly change that, and now you'll see we have a line. Just created a line. You'll have the options right here. I'll just zoom in just a sec. uh, is this one right? One, I guess. Yeah. You'll have shapes right here. This is a line, this is a square or rectangle, this circle, oval, arc. I'll show you how to draw an arc. You just click once, then create another line, click again, don't hold, just click here, you have an arc. After just drawing these, like for making a line, just click and hold and stretch. For a rectangle, you have here, you have a circle, you have an ellipse, right? Yeah. Arc, and you have a triangle, a star, a spiral, and so on. This is a stretchy line, I guess. Okay. uh, if you want to create those layers, just click on close. You have the layers. Now we're going to go to the next problem, that is GIMP questions. Question number 2, create a new image adding background and foreground color. Okay. Create a new image adding background and foreground color. That's very easy. Have your layer, your file opened here. Just go to tools, selection tools, rectangle select, click here, hold and drag. You'll get this like a rectangle or so. After that, you just need to go to colors. Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah. Just go here, select any color. In this case, I'll just go with this, and go to tools, paint tools, bucket fill. Click in the rectangle. Oh, before clicking in the rectangle, you need to create a new layer. I forgot. Just create a new layer, name it as foreground. That's it. You have a foreground color. Now click in the rectangle. Now go to the background layer. If you can see my mouse, it's right here. If you click on foreground, now you're on the foreground layer, that is this one, the area which we selected, the rectangle. And if we select on the background, now we're in the behind, like white image. Let's go to select, none, for deselecting the selection. Would change your color to anything. In this case I'll choose purple, and there you go, you have a different color now. And this is the foreground and this is background. So you want to hide, you can hide these like this. And let's jump to the next question, that is going to be create a new image filled with various patterns. Okay, that's very easy, that's quite really easy. Let's go here. um, just undo everything, control Z, control Z, control Z, deselect. Or for deselecting, just go to select, top bar, create, click on none, the second option, the selection will be gone. Now what it said is like to create a various patterns using on a new image. So we'll do that by going to GIMP, create a new layer, go to tools, selection tools, any selection, let's create one selection, go to tools, tools is right here, paint tools, bucket fill, and now you'll see pattern fill. Go to pattern fill, select which pattern you want. In this case I'll just select the lightning and click. That's it, you have the lightning effect. And if you want to do something on the background, just click on select, none, and select a different different pattern like big blue like this. Have a pattern fill. Let's go to the next question. This question is really easy again. Create an heart shape using GIMP selection tools. Okay, all you need to do is uh, go to GIMP, a fresh file. Okay, while you're on the fresh file, click on new layer. New layer is right here. Click new layer, name it as half heart or anything. Okay. After that, just go to images, image, guides. Okay, you can't see it, right? Let me just move myself right here. Now click on select, not select, go to image, go to guides, new guide by percent, horizontal. Okay, go to image again, guides, new guide. Now change the horizontal into vertical, click OK. You have two lines across the layer. Now select the half heart layer, go to tools, paths, select it right here, and one selection right here. It should be on the line, on the markings that we just made. I'll just zoom in for you. It should be on the lines. Okay, click here again. After that, just make sure the cursor is on the line and hold, drag behind. I guess I made it worse. I'll just do this and this. Now just go here, have a half heart. Now go to edit. I'll show you how to go to edit. Display. Go to edit. You'll have stroke path. Change the color from here, right from the palette, and yep. So just select the line width. I'll select it to 8 or 9 this time, and the color should be black. Stroke. That's it. You have a half heart. Now right click on half heart. Right click means the reverse one, I guess. I'll quickly move here. Just right click on half art, duplicate layer. After duplicating the layer, you'll have half art to like copy. Click on tools, flip, and I guess, yep, I'm audible. Click on the heart. Oh, control Z, make sure it's horizontal right here. Click on the heart, you have a heart here. And that's the fourth question. And to create your own text and apply different font style, size, alignment, and color. Okay. This is an easy question, really easy. Anyone can do this. Create your own text, apply different font style, size, alignment. Okay. Just go to GIMP. Let's delete these. Yep, you're done. And to clear the guides, just click on image. Uh, just click on image, guides, remove all guides. That's it. That's all you need to do. And now again, what we needed to do is create own text, apply different font styles. So to create text, go to tools, go to text, create a rectangle, write your text, croco lamb, right here. So this is something like, it's easy really. Type the font name and the font will change, or else you can just do this, like click here, scroll down, select any font. For this is, see, it's easy. And now if you want to change the size, it's right here, it's 62, right? Just click on this button, just this button, click here, to change the size. And if you want the characters to be bold, click here. If not, if you want them metallic, click here. You want them underlined, here. Strike through is here. And if you want to change the color, click here, change it to red. There you go, you have your red crocodile. After that, the next thing would be alignment. Yep, alignment is really easy. uh, to make an alignment, you'll have a tab. You'll have a tab right here, it's justify. Click here to make it right justified, centered, left, paragraphic. So I will leave it to center here. And that's all for that question. Let's go to the next question, that is create text using text editor, apply different justify. Yep, we just did that. Justify is just this, right, left, middle. That's it. I have two questions right there. Create an outline around the text. Easy. Create an outline around the text. Go to GIMP. Right click on the text layer. Text layer is right here where it says crocodile. Click on text to path. Text to path here. And now go to edit, stroke path. Select the stroke to 5 or 4. Change the color to black. For changing the color, it's right here. The color palette. We'll change it to black because we have the text in red. Check. There you go. You have a border. like an outline around the text. Oh, okay, I am right here. So here you have black border to the text, if you can see them. If you don't want those borders, it's really easy to remove it. Just get to the text tool, click on the text and click on edit. There you go, the outline is removed. Let's go to the next question. Create a new layer, apply and fill transparency, flip vertically, flip horizontally. Okay, and you'll have another question that is going to be using this editor is right here. Click on use editor. You'll get a menu like this. Use bit zoom in. So what's happening here is we'll first change the font size to something that is good. Okay. First select text is selected and it's shortened. Click on use editor, it's right here above me, right here. Use editor, you'll get this menu, this pop-up. Let's zoom in. Yeah, so here to change the position, uh, just do this. You'll have this, it will be this, or it will be random if you want. Close. I guess I did something wrong. Yep. Use editor again, go to this, it will be just like this. Ah, yep, it's that simple. Okay, if you want it back normal, just click here from left to right, left to right. Close, and there you have it. It's another question. And to flip it horizontally and vertically, it's really easy. Just go to tools, transform tools, flip. I'll show it again. Tools, tools is right here. Go to transform tools, the third option. Go to flip. Flip is the last third option. Click on flip and select horizontal if you want the flip to be horizontal. Just click here, it will be flipped, and if you want it vertically, it's right here, it will get flipped vertically. There you have it. You have 9 questions right there, and create your own text and apply arbitrary rotation. This is again an easy question. We already have our text. We'll just need the text, edit. Okay, so to create an arbitrary rotation, first select your text, click on your text by using tools, text, and click on the text. Now click on image. From there you will see transform. From transform you will see the last option, that is arbitrary rotation. Now just select it however you want. uh, if it's like moving all the way, you'll have some options here. Click on layer. Now click on arbitrary rotation, image, transform, arbitrary rotation. Click here, layer, click here, and see, you have arbitrary rotation. If you want to reset it, reset is right here. Selection. Okay, we have nothing selected. If you want the whole image to be rotated, just click here and click, like you can rotate it from here. Reset. If you just want the text to rotate, click here, the first option. Click on the text from where you want it to rotate. From the point, it will just rotate from the point. Okay, reset. That is arbitrary rotation. Now let's get into the 10th question. Create your college logo that appears to be floating above the background. Okay, that's also good, but we need an image for that. So I'll go to my files. Let me select an image. Yes, I don't have an image right away. Let's use this image. To scale your image, if you have an image that is dropped in like this, just click on tools, transform tools, scale. It's a fifth option, I guess. Yep, fifth option. Click on rescale. You can either drag or change the values from here. Okay. In this case, we'll just make it so that it fits the whole screen, that is 1920 by unlink, 1920 by 1080. Scale. Now if you want to adjust the image, click on M on the keyboard and just adjust it. We have it right here, and we now need another image for a college logo that we don't have. Let me search for an image again. Okay, I don't have a logo, but college logo, but this should work. This is a PNG image. You can just drag and drop from your computer. Again, resize it. The shortcut for that is shift S. Shift S, and I guess we are on the wrong layer. Some visibility link. That what? Something has just happened. So let me just drag my image again. Now you just need to scale it. Alright. Tools, transform, scale. That's it. The college logo is floating above the background. It's that simple. Just place the image on the background layer. This is going to be the background layer this time, and this is the college logo. Not the college logo, but yes. Now create your own text. uh, Object, mirror, effect, transform, rotate. Okay, so again, create your own text. hmm. So you need mirror, right? So go to tools. I don't remember where. What? Transform, rotate. Okay. Can you see the screen? You can. It's transform, rotate. So rotate, I already showed you what rotate does. Just go to tools, transform tools, rotate. Now you can just rotate the text any way you want. If you want the text to be back to its normal form, just click on reset. That's it. And now what do we have in the next question? Insert an image and perform adjust color curves, perform invert, linear invert, and value invert. It's just color grading. So first, get some images, I guess, and I need to search for an image. Okay, We have it right here. Just convert. Now just to resize, Shift S. We need to do is that. For zooming out, press Ctrl on the keyboard and scroll wheel. Now resize image. Resize image. Click on scale. It will be scaled. Now what do we have to do here? What was the question? Adjust color curves. Perform invert, linear invert, value invert. Okay, got it. So go to the image, select the layer lighthouse, go to colors. First thing we'll do is curves. So curves is right here above invert. Click here and you will see the changes right away, like on the image. It's brightened up. Curves are very simple if you know which curves you can play with. It's just the light curves and the dark ones. Okay. Yep. If you're done color grading it, changing the color levels, click on OK. And now to invert the color, just click here, invert. The image is inverted. Okay. Control Z if you don't want the inverted image. Colors, linear invert. See, it's completely white now. Now just go back to colors. Okay, first we'll do a Control Z. Colors, value invert. Value invert is just this. Okay. Now what do we have in the next question? Next question is merge an image from a file to a current image in GIMP. Okay, so we need to merge two images in one. So we'll go back again, get our old images, that is the logo and the background. So we have our background image right here. Scale. Now let's add the logo. Okay, we have the logo right here. Reset. Okay. To merge the layers, you'll have an option right here. uh, Bottom, it will be this one, to merge. Okay, just click on this. So first you need to select the layer above, like if you want to merge these two images, like the logo and the background, you just need to select the logo layer which is on the top and click on merge. Now it's a single image, not two different images. Now it's a single image, one image. That's what a merging does. Now what do we have? Draw a box, apply different colors. We already did it in the first question, that is foreground and background. So we create a new layer, create rectangle and tools, selection tools. If you want a rectangle, select, or ellipse, select, get whatever you want. Make a triangle, go to tools, paint tools, bucket fill, change the color to red. If you remember, in one question we did a pattern fill and we selected pattern fill from here. So just change back to foreground color, FG color, and click here, apply different colors. This is red. Go to color palette again, change the color, blue, done, changed. Then go again, if you want yellow, just go yellow, and there you go. Now three different colors. And now to the next question, apply different filters and effects to the image. Okay, so in this we have three options, that is blur, distorts, any distort, artistic cartoon and photocopy. That is another one. D. Let's go back to GIMP. I will select the lighthouse image. Okay, select on the layer. If you want to edit an image of the specific image, just go to the layer which you want to edit. Okay, you have different layers. If you randomly edit on any layer, it won't show up on the image you want. Okay, click on lighthouse, go to filters. You wanted blur and Gaussian blur, the second option. You have a menu here. In this menu, you just, if you want, you can just link them both and they'll increase equally. If you want to change it different on horizontal scale and vertical scale, they have different effects. See, this is vertical effect, so the image is like in a motion blur, and this is horizontal, so it's upward. This is also motion blur. So just click here and change it equally if you want. The blur is applied. Click on OK. Okay, I didn't click OK. I'll click OK for you. Change the blur. Click OK. I'll just hit Ctrl Z again. And now you have distorts. So for distorts, you have different kinds of distorts. For this one, let's go for waves. This is really easy. Click on waves. uh, you have a menu here. The image is really tilted, so let me just zoom in a little. Okay, yes. Now change the scale. If you want, you can do it again, the link key equally. Okay, they'll go even into the minus values, so just click on 0 on 1, I guess. 0. Both are 0. Phase shift, period, you'll have different kinds of stuff. Just play around. Amplitude, play around with this and select whatever you want. You have a wave like water wave, and you can change the aspect ratio, phase shift, and everything. Now like you'll have a water image kind of. Click OK when you have the perfect thing. Okay, so now you have artistic with cartoon. Go to filters again, zoom out, go to filters, and you'll have artistic right above me. It's right here, guys. Yep. Artistic, go to cartoon. This one says cartoon, so let's go to cartoon, and there you go. You can create an image in cartoon. So let me just drag an image that is much more realistic. Let's just go to Unsplash. Oh, I guess unsplash.com. A person. Okay, we'll take care of this guy. Okay, let's go back to GIMP. Drag him here. Convert. Can you see the screen? Yep, you can. Convert. Change the size of the image and really large for this one. It's really high resolution. Scale. Okay. Now what happens here is you go to artistic again, click on cartoon. This will create an cartoonic image for you, and if you want, you can increase the blacks so which it looks more cartoonish, or else you can just reduce them, which is really boring. Just click it right here. You have a cartoonic image. Mask radius, you can increase it to 100%. There you go, you have a cartoonic image. Click on OK. Done. Now there's another thing called artistic photocopy. Where is it? Artistic photocopy legacy. Yep, it's right here. Click on photocopy legacy. Okay. You have a preview right here. Okay, so play around with the values and you'll find something or another. Percent black, increase, click OK. Now you have a sketch image of the same person which we created in cartoon. Okay, that's easy. Done. Let's go to the next question, that is, insert an image and perform the following: smudge the image, dodge, or burn the image. This is also an easy thing to do. We'll do it to this guy, right? Or we'll do it to the lighthouse. That's really good. Go to tools. Yeah. I don't remember where it was. It was. Wait, what were we doing? Smudge. Okay. So go to tools, paint tools, and you'll have smudge right here at the last second. Click on smudge. You can like change the value of the brush from here. Okay, from here. Now the brush is a bit smaller and you'll see it's erasing the image, kind of erasing the image. So why, if you want, you can just increase. See, the object will be removed, rather it will be replaced by the image which is above it. Okay, so this is how you use smudge. You just remove objects from it. So for example, on this guy, uh, if we have a pimple right here, or let's create a pimple on his face. Let's go to tools, pencil, change the color, change the size, create, let's assume he has a pimple right here. Let's go to tools, paint tools, smudge. You see, the pimple is gone. This is how to remove a pimple from your images. And now we'll use a dodge tool, dodge or burn. What it does is it just brightens the image, makes you look like a bit brighter, a bit fair. Just go here, change the size. Okay, just brightens the image, makes it look a bit brighter. We'll do it to this person. Yep, you see, he's brighter than, he's just much fair. Yeah, okay, that's easy, right? That was it for that question. Insert image, map, illusion filter. This is also an easy one. If you have your layer selected, just go to filters, go to map. Map is right here, and you'll have illusion. You see, you have illusion created. Let's zoom in. You see that it's creating something like a circle around him. You can have it anyway. Okay, just increase, you'll have more persons, and just create normal, dissolve. You can play around. Okay, playing around means you can just select whatever you want from here, and you can see it applied on the image. Click on OK after it's done. I don't want this, so I'll just Control Z. Take to the new question. Take two files in one folder with different MB zip. A comparison. For this one, we need to go here. I'll create a new folder. Folder zip. Okay. We'll move my codes into this. Move into zip. Now we have the folder open right here. Okay. Right here. Click. First we'll check the file size. We'll go to properties. Okay. We'll right click. Go to properties. Click on properties and you'll see that the value here is 141 kilobytes. Okay, cancel. Now let's zip it. So right click. For this you should have WinRAR in your computer. Just right click and add to code.rar, and you'll see a file being created here, that is code. Now right click on that and select the properties. You'll see that it's a lower size now. See, this one is for this file that we just created, and this one is for this respectively. So 45 KB for this one, 141 KB for this one. It just changes the file size and compresses it into a small file. That was the last second question. And now remove the window border from GIMP tool. Okay, using crop tool. This is again an easy one. So what you'll need to do is open GIMP, go to tools, transform tools, crop, the third option. On crop, and you'll see various options here. So I'll just click on current layer only. What it does is, if we are selected into this layer, you can just crop into this specific layer and the image will not get cropped. Click on that. The image was not cropped, the background image, only the person's image. If you want the whole image to be cropped, just deselect this, crop, and click inside the crop. The whole image is cropped now. Control that if you don't want that. Yeah. So let's go to the other question. Create your college logo and save it with different file extensions. Blah blah blah. Yep. So we're just saving our file. Okay. It's really simple. Go to file. If you have GIMP opened, just go to file, click on export, and you'll see a file that is opened right here. Okay. So just change it to BMP and export, or else PNG, click on export, or else JPG, click on export, and the file will be saved. Okay, that's how you save the file. That was it for this session. I'll do a blender session after 2-3 days. You can work on these till by then. Have a great one. Bye bye.